The main view of Minimosnta. The meta patch selects all the list, an enormous choice, and the patch itself that you can save it, load it, etc. Now the simple keys of the synthesizer that you can control with any keyboard, MIDI keyboard. The hold button, the pitch wheel and modulation wheel band, glide and decay. The morphing keys, the amazing morphing keys of Minimosnta, and morphing sequences that are really nice to use them. This is the feature of Minimosnta itself. The controls, you have the tuning, glide, modulation mix, the oscillator banks with the 3 oscillators and all the modulations, the control on and off, external input volume, and the feedback button and noise. The filters, cutoff, emphasis, and loudness control, modifiers, delay effects with all these controls. And now the modulations of almost every buttons in the synthesizer, you can check it out. Now the MIDI sections and the panic button, don't forget about it. Okay, and mono, unism, and of course output. Here you have the meta patches. Just check it out, the list of enormous choice. Just go pick one. In here I picked just one pre-made. Just click it with my mouse, and the whole button will sustain the signal. So here you have a meta patch, morphing key working. Just check it. One another, just try to modulate a bit of cutoff, and you see it, all things change, modulation, and just memorize it and choose the key number. In this case was the first one and the sixth one. Then just save it and just give your name, a name, something, blah. Morphing keys. Okay, here I give an example of a sequence of a bass synthesizer. I want to show you. I'm going to delete the morphing keys, and you'll check it out how it results. This is the main line, and now it is again. You check it out, the light's moving itself, and you can make a lot of examples in this. And it's very simple and very friendly. The red and blue highlight keys and external input, just a loop. So, here's the note. I'm gonna put off the all oscillators and put on the external input volume. So started using already a loop, crazy loop, just making some filter on it, click the hold button and the loop will play itself and maintain it. So here I'll show you, you assign a modulation key in the MIDI section, and the red lights are there already. Now the modulation, the blue lights, so chaos, but it's there. Now I'm going to turn it off, after the scale of course. Just go to modulation wheel, put it on, and the red light goes off, and the blue lights. Now just put the amp out, and whoops, here they are, clean at the beginning. Minimosnta as a standalone. If you have a MIDI keyboard, you can play with a band, with somebody. Just make an audio setup, a basic, take care of buffer size, load a sample or a loop or a track, and just play on top of it. And you can play it for hours. You have the options to make the mix between the keyboard and the loop itself. You can bypass it whenever you want and forget about mini panic. If you have any problem, or just bypass it. Just control it, and just it's a great synthesizer, and it's inside of your pocket, and you can take it anywhere without any weight. Yeah.